over and over again, the same routine, the caffeine, just being unhealthy. And unfortunately, that was also during the time period that my kids were growing up. They needed their mom, and I just didn't have that in me to take care of them. They always say you can't pour from an empty cup, but at this point in my life, I don't think I even had a cup. This was my last resort. Probably about my day 10 is when I really noticed the fireworks. I really noticed, like, holy smokes, I didn't hit my snooze button. Holy smokes, it's been 10 days without coffee. Like, that's freaking huge. That just feeling of just being alive, that's what I felt like. Like the sun was shining brighter, I could see colors more vibrant. And I came home from work that day and I grabbed my kids and I'm like, come on guys, we're going on a bike ride. And they're like, who are you and what did you do with my mother?